Hailey.
But this one, it's like a
Tumakbo! Tumakbo!
perfect though. Yeah. Really smooth.
Yoko, meeting your ano.
Anything to make that?
Ang tawag dito?
Okay, let's try number 2.
Ayun na, nilapitan siya. Yoko, bait lang Behave lang
I mean, that feels like some...
Bati kayo ha, bati ha.
Yeah, that way.
Okay? Bati kayo. Hey, good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Yoko. Good boy. O, puntahan mo pa yung iba. Minis, asan pa iba?
Sabi niya, tulungan ko to ah.
Be, huwag kang umihi dyan ha.
Where is it?
Be,
Yoko!
Is this it?
come on, Yoko. Yoko, come on. Please, punta ka dito sa mga bebe mo. Ayun yung mga tiyanak ko.
No.
Please, Yoko.
It seems like a white,
Oh.
white cheddar.
Yoko. Sus, mapunta ka dun sa mga bebe mo.
Okay, I think I know.
Come on.
This one gives
Ay, sus, umihi pa oh. Naihi. No, Be, no.
What is it called? After breath? After, yeah. Yeah. This one is when you don't want to.
Ah, ayan oh, kamukha mo, Be.
Oh, yeah.
Yoko, yung kamukha mo oh.
No, I'm skip.
Kapag pinong-pair nga, kamukha.
Yoko, yung kamukha mo. Meet your, ano, look alike.
3, 4.
Is that your son?
Yeah, number 2.
What do you think?
Two. Okay, let's see.
You look alike, oh.
Yeah.
Oh, this one.
And
And this
I knew
one.
one for me is white cheddar. I knew it was white cheddar.
Yay!
Ako si Yoko.
Yoko, hindi, ganyan yan. Kada makikita niya yung mga
Are 40 cents.
mga tuta.
And then our
Ay, sorry.
classic Cheetos, 38 cents per ounce. So they're less than-
Kika yung gulo mo.
And then all these is 20
Kika, I know.
per ounce. So what's the difference between these two? I think this is
Ayun o, ay. Good boy si Yoko.
no artificial
Good
colors.
boy pala yan eh.
Does.
Ang da- sabi ni Yoko, ang dami pala nila.
Sabi niya, mga anak ko ba to?
Good boy. Sabi ng mga tuta, oh, ay, meron palang maliit na dog sila kasing liit natin.
Ay,
O, takbo na si Yoko. Oh, na-corner na siya, oh. Natatakot siya. Yung ano niya, yung... yung buntot niya nababahag.
sabi niya na. Ano tinatakot niya?
Yoko, no, ah. Yoko. No. Bati lang, bati. Behave lang kayo.
Tapos siliit yung binugbog mo.
Ano mo, tinatakasan niya, oh. Tinatakasan niya. Ayan, yung kamukha niya, yung kamukha ni Shadow. Puntahan mo. Sus, Mariosip, nagngat-ngat na
Hinahanap ako
yung...
ng isa. Hanap ako ng isa.
Oh, ayan na. Nilapitan na sila. Yoko, bati mo sila, Yoko, ha? Yung pala si Kikay, lahat na lang ng ano, kinalat. Kikay. Namang mga to, hinahabol lagi si Mama. Habol niyo yan? Ay, Bailey. Huwag mong bugbugin, Bailey. Yoko, ano na nangyari? Natakot ka na sa kanila?
No extra color?
Sunod. Ang susunod na contestant.
Parang napupupo pa tong mga to, may hina. Ito, iihi. Iihi yan, iihi. Ay, lahat na lang hinila ni Kikay. Ano ba yan, Kikay? Ay, sus, ayun. May sumasampa sa pako.
Ma, let's go for the next contestant.
Okay, tapos na yung oras mo. Yung iba naman.
Si Dumbo mas.
Okay. Si Dambo baka ano yun, no? Okay, wait lang, ha?
Si Dumbo.
Yoko, tapos na yung oras mo. Si Dambo naman.
Good job. Somebody just put strawberries in a bazooka and blasted you with them.
Si Mama, struggling na naman, oh.
Here, milady, I'm cutting this
Struggling,
out
Mama.
For you. All right, here we go.
Oh, run. Run, baby, run.
Ginawa ko.
Or much closer.
Oh, excuse me, puso.
More like
Yoko,
crunchy.
yung mga pamangkin mo.
There's more sprinkles on the top, less jam. The jam is more similar to
Mga
the...
pamangkin mo yan, be.
Okay, I know which one I'm voting for. Ready? Maybe two. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Ha, nakikihabol din talaga si ano.
Did you
Si
Yeah.
Gizmo.
Oh,
Nahuli. Bailey, no?
Definitely tell. And it just had like more of the
Huli.
flakiness.
Corner ka na nila.
Ate, kasi ako.
Looks more like a short
Wing.
coat than
Asan na?
this one.
Yan ah.
Yeah, look at this. It's much more lighter. This one is much
Yan,
more
okay, okay.
twisted color. And
Sige,
this one
takbo lang
breaks
siya.
apart easier. And this
Hoy, takbo-takbo ka
filling
dyan.
is the off-bright
Si Chopper,
about
sunod na
half
sunod.
per ounce. So this one is
Ma,
9
nakita niyo
cents.
na pa si
This
Chopper.
one is
Ano pa?
11 cents per ounce, and this one is 20
Yan na,
cents
huli
per
ka na.
ounce. And honestly, I think the most comparable one to the original was the
Yoko.
Walmart one.
Was great value.
Okay ba? Marami sila, no? Kala mo isa lang?
Similar. and
Dami
again,
sila,
texture,
babe. It's
and
a
especially the filling
prank.
tastes super similar.
Yeah.
Like
It's a
these two were
prank.
pretty
A little bit more like
dang close, but still like
sabi
they
niyo
were
ako,
the original. It just
nakapasok
has
ulit ako dito
on
sa
the back,
wakas.
It's just got this crispier, flakier, like more
baked, more
Ah.
pastry layered.
The texture's just but for
Ay,
half the
mapakali, oh.
price,
Ay, mapakali, oh.
great value.
Great value is a great sauce.
Si Snow.
Yeah, this is a great substitute.
Yoko.
Well, there's two. I think there's two pieces.
Oh, next na, next contestant.
Ay, mami!
Sino?
I have
Si
those.
Yoko.
Bastos.
It's really hot.
Yeah.
Ay, si Mama Dog, may mga ano, may mga galamay, oh.
Smells.
Sabi,
Yeah.
Habang ano, naglalakad.
You know, like pork. You know, like it's supposed to be salty.
bakit
You know,
kumain
like
pa
that
si
savory,
Yoko?
salty kind of.
Hindi, isa lang yan.
Just taste.
Oh, that's very salty.
Wow.
Wow,
Yeah.
nice
I mean,
one.
like pan fried.
Sino inamoy ni Yoko?
It tastes like it. I just.
Yoko, anong amoy?
Yeah. I just don't know.
It's so salty.
Ang cute nila, oh.
Second plate.
Okay.
Okay, and this
That's
this
it.
is the most